Tinubu, my passion, pains as Asiwaju's son. Oluwaseyi Afolabi Tinubu is the eldest son of the former Lagos State Governor, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Recently, some outdoor advertising practitioners alleged that the Lagos State Signage and Advertisement Agency (LASAA) is shielding his business interests. Seyi Tinubu runs Lotsad Promomedia Limited, a digital and outdoor advertisement agency. Aside from having exclusive rights on some major roads in Lagos, he is said to enjoy unbridled freedom. In this interview in his Lekki Lagos office, the young Tinubu set the record straight on the signage brouhaha. He also bared his mind on his passion and pains as a son of the political luminary. Recently, there was a report of a crisis between your company, LOSAD, and LASAA on one side, and the Outdoor Advertising Association of Nigeria, OAAN. On the other hand, tell us what happened. It was nothing really serious, just a little misunderstanding. Everything has been resolved. However, for me personally, there is nothing better than the truth. All that matters to me is to let the truth be the narrative of the story. I don't have anything to hide because our company, Lotsad, is an outfit that operates and follows every regulation of LASAA to the letter. For me, I am particularly against punishing false narratives. So when I see false narrative being pushed about a Lotsad, it really hurts me because this company is beyond Seyi Tinubu. There are over 100 people from diverse to scores of creative guys who work for the group as a whole. But because of an individual, some would then sit somewhere to push a false narrative about a whole company, employing partisan politics to damage the efforts of hundreds of these young individuals. That really hurts. Do you belong to OAAN? Yes, we are a member, though we are very new. But your coming into outdoor advertising has generated a lot of controversies. Question has been raised about your eligibility, and as a practitioner, how did you find yourself in the industry? I didn't just stumbled into the industry. When I finished from Nigerian law school after I researched for my bar exams, I actually failed at my first attempt and I was eventually called to the bar. It then dawned on me to figure out what I really wanted to do for myself. What I honestly know then was that I don't want to be chasing job or work under my father. I had promised myself to earn his respect by creating my own path. My business partner and friend Aderele Olushoga then sat down to look at different opportunities we could explore. We tried many ideas, including an online digital movie platform like Netflix, which didn't work out. We really went through various opportunities and look at those failed experience, after which we discovered we had a passion to create something that would be innovative and unique. By extension, we discover our flair to advertising, particularly in the digital space. Hence, we decided to float Lotsad Promo Media to operate both in the digital and out of home subsector of the advertising industry. We applied to the relevant bodies and got the license to operate. And in the shortest time, we discover our niche and have made a significant impact. Well, to contribute to what is going on, I want to say that this is the son of Tinubu, the former governor of Lagos State. And according to him, he didn't want to work under his father or work for anybody. Therefore, he had chosen what he wants to be, and that is what he is doing. But the controversy that comes in that place is that whether he has registered with the channel to operate, and the young man is saying that he has been registered and he has become a member, but they are new. But if someone has registered, why is it being disturbed by those who are in charge of any company to register before it will begin operate? So what we are saying here is that if the young man has been registered, I think he is free to operate as a Nigerian. So therefore, I was even thinking whether the young man is hooligan and either the young man is nobody to speak about. But for what I'm hearing him saying, I think he is a responsible somebody. He's somebody who has really brought up well. He's somebody who knows what he wants. He's somebody who don't want to join the hooligans and the people that do not have any vision in life. To me, this guy has vision. To me, this guy is focused. He is determined. So I want the government of Lagos State to really give him the opportunity to operate so that his dreams can be achieved. Because if one is determined the way he did, and at the end of the day, the channel to operate in this guy's issue just stop him unnecessarily, they might have killed his dream. But in order for his dream to continue, let him have a free hands to operate since he has registered. And again, the young man is very responsible for not working under his father or squander his father's wealth. I think he's a person that knows what he wants. That is why, sometimes to work under somebody, you might work for nothing and earn nothing. But if you have your own, you are doing your own, whatever you do, you do it for yourself. So at this juncture, I will employ the government of Lagos State to give him a free hand to operate so that he can achieve his dream. And again, you know that hundreds of people are working with this guy. If the company is being stopped, those people working with him will be jobless at the end of the day. And you know that joblessness has caused a lot of trouble in Nigeria. So let him operate as far as he has registered.